Alright, language explorers, so let's look at this Sunday's prepositions. So, although, although, so however, but, yes. I know the answer, although I will not tell you. Yeah. She was with me, although I won't say where we went. Yeah. He said it, although I won't tell you why. Although, yeah. So I went there, although I did not want to. So I went there, although I didn't want to. They did it, although they didn't need to. He ate the food, although he did not need to. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, so I am teaching, although I could be at the gym. Yeah. I will go to the gym, although I don't need to. Yeah. How cool is that? So, he drew it. He drew it, although it wasn't good. So I wrote it years ago, although I could now write it better. Yeah. So she figured, she learned the answer, although she could have done it faster. Although. He's writing it, although I don't understand. He is speaking about it now, although we can't hear him. Although we can't hear him. Yeah. Soon they will start, although we're still waiting. Now, they will be here. They will be here, although I just can't wait much longer. Yeah. He will travel, although he really should focus on his work. So he should travel, although he is going to travel, although really he should focus on work. Yeah. He went with them, although he does not know them. Yeah. So he went with them, although he does not know them. Or he does not know them. Yeah. So they travelled with me, although I had just met them 5 minutes ago. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So although. Now, can you use it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on Udemy by searching English with Adrian. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. But also you can find me on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.